Let's turn this disposable vape into a tiny power bank that can run low power consumption electronics like my DIY ring LED light or any Arduino microcontroller. Most vapes hide a small lithium-ion cell inside. Safety first, never puncture or damage the cell, and don't use swollen ones. I designed a custom 3D printed case in CAD to hold the battery snugly. Now it's time to print. For the wiring, I just connected positive and negative to a small switch and output wires. Most vapes already have a built-in charging board, no extra charging circuit needed. Using a hot glue gun for this prototype, inserting the battery to its final resting place. Once the battery is locked in, this becomes a tiny reusable power pack instead of e-waste. If you like this video, subscribe for more tech builds.